Hello guys, as promised, I'll be doing another tutorial now, and our previous tutorial is on how to save your data in a iPhone. So today the tutorial will be on how to save your data using the Android phone. There's a little function in Android that most people don't use it, and that causes that data to consume so fast. So in less than 30 seconds we're gonna go through this tutorial, and you're gonna discover the simplest method to save your data or to stop high data consumption in your phone. So to do that is very simple. You have to go to settings in your phone. On settings in your phone, you have to go to network. You can see the network or data, SIM card, stuff like that. But on my own, you see network and internet. You click on it. Coming down, you see mobile network. You see data usage, data, SIM card, and stuff. But this one, you have to go to data usage. So it's showing me, you can see here 1.29 gigabyte has been used previously, and if you can discover it, you will see that it's consuming. So for us to put this simple method, you see something data saver. Click on that data saver and you click it on. Voila, it's done. And now, just as in iPhone, they also show the app that down restricted. Means that data or no data, immediately data is activated, it has to be consuming or stuff like that. So you see unrestricted data. Unrestricted data means that the data is not restricted. And it also means that this data will consume any amount. This app will consume any amount of data that they want. And this app always allowed for stuff like Facebook, for stuff like Instagram, and for stuff like WhatsApp. But for some people, these apps consume a lot. So if you consume a lot, all you have to do is to click on it and you unrestrict them. But discover here is carrier services, which is at least a little bit necessary, Google account and stuff like that. So even for my Instagram here, it's locked, and Facebook and stuff like that. So that is it for this tutorial. So remember the steps. Let me take it again. From settings, you go to network and internet. From network and internet, you go to data usage. From data usage, you click on data saver, and you will see my data is being saved now and stuff like that. If I want to off it, you off here. You see the color has changed and on it back. Voila, you are done. That is that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to follow us for more